Hi, I'm Priscilla. Priscilla Kunkuroveda for UNICEF, the Youth Section Innovation. Digital safety is important, especially because it has not been covered when it comes to developing countries. It has been largely covered for Western countries. Everybody has heard about cyberbullying. Everybody has heard about sexting, about sexual exploitation, but it's an issue that's very real in developing countries. It can be covered in many different ways, whether it's hateful content, hateful speech, or sexual exploitation, trafficking, child pornography, and so many different types of issues. In those regions of the world, young people and children are less digitally sophisticated than, let's say, a 16-year-old in New York City who has an iPhone, a BlackBerry, an iPad, a laptop, a home computer, and I'm going to stop here, but I'm sure even Nintendo DS or PS3 at home. This is not the reality in developing countries. Yet, they are facing digital risks, but they're not sophisticated enough in order, A, to know that it's a risk, B, to know how to protect themselves.